Thank you, Hoshino-san. Hello, everyone. I am Yamamoto, in charge of vehicle development of all new Kicks. Today, I'm in Nissan Advanced Technology Center, which conducts R&D on advanced technology related to electrification and vehicle intelligence. I've been involved in various SUV development until now, and this time I took on the challenge of developing Kicks by leveraging my expertise to deliver the first SUV with e-power. There are 3 points I want to touch on today. First, the evolution in powerful acceleration with e-power. Second, high quietness. And third, comfortable interior and luggage space. Let me introduce these appeals in detail. First, please take a look at this. This is the cut model of e-power on all new Kicks. This is engine. This is the motor for power generation, motor for driving, inverter, and what you see in the back is the battery installed under the front rear seat. E-power that gained strong popularity in Note and Serena is Nissan's unique powertrain that uses engine exclusively for power generation and drive entirely with motor. It offers quick, strong response, powerful acceleration, smoothness, and high quietness that are unique to motor drive, and the joy of driving just like electric vehicle. The other day, we had executive advisor for Super GT Nissan team and racing advisor Mr. Michael Krum to help us with the pre-test drive at Nissan's test drive course, Grand Drive in Yokosuka. So please first take a look at the video. So now I will do the acceleration test to check the speed from the turn of the traffic signal. Let's try. This is very powerful. It's smooth and quickly exceeded 100 kilometers per hour. Now let me check overtake and acceleration spot response. Very smooth. This is great. Very smooth. Now I will drive narrow city roads at normal mode. So let's try. Very narrow. I have to step on the brake. Yes, I have to step on the brake. I now shifted to smart mode. I will try and see if I can go with one pedal. In smart mode, the vehicle decelerates when you release the gas pedal. So let me try driving. This is great. The car decelerates. Very smooth. It's easy to control the speed. Yamamoto-san, I'm driving at below 50 kilometers per hour, which is the speed in city driving, but it's very quiet. Yes, this all-new Kicks reduced the operating frequency of the engine to extend the battery driving time as much as possible. So I think it's very quiet. What do you think? It's very comfortable, and it does not annoy or bother people in cities.
よし、これから
Now I will try winding roads. Let's see if I can drive winding roads with kicks.
セッティングはスマートセッティ
I'm
ング
in
にしました。
smart mode.
やってみます。
Let's try.
あー、すごい。
This is
アクセル
great.
戻るとスピードの
Releasing of gas pedal and speed are well aligned, and it's so much fun.
それよりこのスタビリティは
It has
すごく
great
素晴らしいで
stability.
す。ノーマルモードでやります。
Now I will try normal
One
mode
pedal drive じゃなくて
instead of one pedal drive.
どうなるでしょう。
Let's see how it goes.
あ、やっぱりブレーキ踏まなきゃいけない。
Oh, I have to step on the brake pedal.
あー、これは忙しい。
This is very busy,
いや、でもシャシの安定性は
but the stability is great.
いや、やっぱりノーマルモードでも
It's
楽しいけ
fun
ど
driving in normal mode,
ブレ
but
ーキアクセルブレーキアクセルブレー
busy
キアクセル
doing
まあ
brake,
前の
gas, brake, gas.
スマートモードと比べ
So
ると
smart
やっぱり
mode is
全然比べられない
beyond comparison.